Are you at a stage when, if you are employed, the 9 to 5 job is no longer exciting or meaningful, you feel stagnant? Are you a person who is already preparing to retire, say you are above 50, or you are not meeting the demands of your lifestyle and you would like an additional income stream? If you are one of those people, this video is for you because I've been there. I'm Linda and I am an affiliate marketer with LaunchU. You do not need to be digitally savvy to follow what I am going to be suggesting so that you free yourself and you begin to experience a new life that is transformed, that is free, but that brings income even when you are fast asleep. This video is definitely for you. Digital marketing, post-COVID, the world has changed to such an extent that even how we do business has changed. Time, for instance, things are happening very fast with the artificial intelligence, with the internet has opened such a wide world that it is important for us to then look at how we can free quality time for ourselves, for our friends, for our loved ones, and just to enjoy life, a free but lucrative life, because the purpose of this video is to invite you to my website. Below is listed below in the description so that you look at how you can participate or subscribe in order to start a digital business, a business that is going to be freeing you, that is going to be bringing additional income, a business that is going to make your life flexible and easy. That is the purpose of this video. As I've indicated, you do not need to be technologically savvy. When I started, the only thing that I could do from the laptop, it was to send emails, receive emails, receive messages, etc. However, the program I am recommending is going to make it easy for you to do business online as long as you have a laptop and you have access to the internet. You could be sitting under a tree, you could be at the beach, you will be doing business. And as business takes off, you could be traveling, visiting your dream destination, and the business will be rolling and the income will be coming in. So don't wait. Give this a try. I gave it a try. Indeed, I was a bit intimidated because, as I've indicated, technology wasn't something that was second nature to me. However, today I don't look back. I make videos. I do research online. I reach out, and I have even recently published an eBook that you will find. It is free, by the way. It is in the description below. I would not have dreamed of where I am today and the income and the opportunities that have opened up. Don't wait. Take advantage of this opportunity. If you find this short video meaningful and inspiring, give it a thumbs up. And please do subscribe and share with your friends so that we begin to move from just being theoretical about being wealthy to actually doing business online, and business that frees our time and add income. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, the description below, access the website. And for those who just want to read, the ebook is free. It is meant for you. Thank you.